Okay, my name is Tamaro Hannah, and I am a nurse vaccinator and team lead here at Fairfax County Government Center. I have vaccinated thousands, especially when the 5 to 11 year olds became eligible. Parents were super excited to get their kids in here, and the kids were excited. Some a little scared, but they were ready to get it because they wanted to protect themselves and their friends and their teachers. And because the holiday season, a lot of them were thinking about Santa Claus. So they were very excited. Definitely go ahead and do it. I have a 5 year old. My 5 year old has been looking forward to getting vaccinated as soon as he heard that he was eligible. He was ready to get here. He was excited. He was a little nervous, but he was very excited. And now he gets to have play dates with his other vaccinated friends, and he feels a little bit better about going to school. Um, and I mean, he's just happy to play a part because he knows like his grandparents are at high risk, so he wants to protect them and play his part. And this way, kids can play a part in helping their household, their family, and community. Well, booster dose is just going to give you that extra oomph, that extra, a little bit more of a boost to your immune system to give you more protection, especially against this Omicron variant that's out there. This is just going to shield you more, and you're still fully vaccinated with 2 doses, but this third dose is really going to, put you back at those levels that you were originally when you got the second dose. Everyone's excited. People want to get the vaccine. The people that are here, they're willing to wait in lines. They're willing to, wait as long as it takes for them to get that vaccine because a lot of people want to enjoy the holiday season with their family and friends. And they know in order to do so, and to protect themselves and others, that they need that vaccination, that extra booster dose. And everyone seems very excited about it. Definitely, if you have not already gotten your first dose, you should definitely go ahead and get it because this pandemic is not going to go away until we can get to that herd immunity. And in order to do that, we need as many people vaccinated as possible. If you haven't received your booster dose and you're 16 years old and older and eligible, then definitely do that. This time of the year, we tend to think about communities and what we can do for the world. And, this is something that you can give back. This could be your gift, to everyone. So why not go ahead and, share your gift of immunity, getting your booster or getting vaccinated. So this is the best time to do it.